Welcome. This body scan activity can help you release tension, reduce stress, and connect with your body. If you're feeling overwhelmed or simply need a few moments to reset, this guided meditation can offer you a space to unwind and restore calm. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position and allowing yourself to settle in. You might choose to lie down on your bed or simply sit in a chair if it feels better for you. Close your eyes if you wish, or keep them slightly open if you think you might fall asleep. The idea here is to stay alert but relaxed. First, let's connect with your breath. Feel the air coming in through your nose, traveling down your throat and filling your lungs. Just notice your natural breathing rhythm. Notice how your chest and belly naturally expand on the inhale and gently contract as you exhale. Your breath is your anchor. Whenever your mind wanders during this practice, just gently come back to your breathing. Breathing in, breathing out. Now, bring your attention down to your right foot. Notice your toes, your heel, the bottom of your foot. What sensations do you feel? Maybe warmth, coolness, tingling, or maybe nothing at all. Just notice with curiosity. Move your attention up to your right ankle and calf. Are these muscles tight or relaxed? Just observe without trying to change anything. Notice your right knee and thigh. Feel the weight of your leg against whatever surface you're on. Now shift to your left foot. Same process. Toes, heel, sole of the foot. What's different about the left foot compared to the right? Move up through your left ankle, calf, knee, and thigh. Notice any differences between your two legs. Bring your attention to your pelvis and hips. Notice how this area feels. Any tension, any contact with the surface beneath you. Move to your lower back. What do you feel here? Is there a tightness, discomfort, or a sense of ease? Just observe with curiosity. Now your belly area. Now your belly area. You might feel your abdomen rising and falling with your breath. Maybe you notice some gurgling sounds. That's your body doing its work. What else do you sense here? Move up to your chest and rib cage. Feel your chest expanding and contracting with each breath. Notice your shoulders. Are they holding any tension? Just notice the sensations. If your mind wanders, remember to return to the breath as your anchor. Breathing in, breathing out. Now, bring your attention to your right hand. Notice your fingers, your palm, the back of your hand. What sensations do you feel? Perhaps tingling, warmth, coolness, or maybe very little at all. Simply observe with curiosity. Slowly move your awareness up into your right wrist and forearm. Do you notice any tension or ease there? Just notice without needing to change anything. Bring your attention to the right elbow and upper arm. Feel the weight of your arm resting. Now shift your attention to your left hand. Again, notice your fingers, your palm, the back of the hand. How does it feel compared to your right? Move up through your left wrist, forearm, elbow, and upper arm. Simply notice any differences between your two arms. Bring your attention to your neck, this hard-working part of your body that supports your head every day. What do you notice here? Moving your attention now into the head, sense your forehead. Is it smooth or wrinkled? Your eyes, what sensations do you feel around your eyes? Notice your nose, maybe feeling the breath moving in and out through your nostrils. Your cheeks, your mouth and lips, your jaw. If your jaw feels tight, you can let it drop open slightly. Now expand your awareness to the entire body as one complete whole. Imagine breathing from the top of your head all the way down to your toes and back up again. Breathing in, breathing out. Feel the boundary of your body, your skin, and how it touches your clothes, the surface you're lying or sitting on. You are here in this moment, in this body, breathing and alive. Let each in-breath be a moment of arriving, and each out-breath a gentle letting go. Pause in this full body awareness, breathing, being here, and when you are ready, slowly begin to bring movement back into your fingers and toes. Maybe stretch gently, and in your own time, open your eyes and notice the world around